In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all fonts on Google Slides in 5 minutes. Let's start by opening your web browser of choice. Once you've got that up and running, navigate your way over to Google's homepage. This will be your starting point. From here, you're going to want to access your Google account. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. It's pretty straightforward from here. Just choose the account you want to use for Google Slides and enter your password. After your credentials are entered, click Next to proceed. Now that you're signed in, it's time to dive into the world of Google Apps. Again, glance towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see the Google Apps icon. It looks like a grid or a cluster of dots. Click on this to unveil a variety of Google services and applications. Scroll through the options until you find Google Slides and click on it. This is where the magic starts. After accessing Google Slides, the next step is to find the presentation you're working on. This might involve scrolling through your recent documents, or maybe even opening a folder from your drive. When you've found the right presentation, click to open it. With your presentation open, it's time to focus on the text you wish to modify. Scroll through your slides until you find the text in question. Then use your mouse cursor to highlight this text. This action signifies that you're ready to make some stylistic changes. Now take a closer look at the toolbar that runs across the top of your Google Slides interface. Among various formatting options, you'll spot the Font drop-down menu. Click on this menu to expand your font options. But hold on. We're seeking a font that's not immediately available in this list. To access a broader selection, you'll notice an option labelled More Fonts at the top of this drop-down. Clicking here opens the door to a vast library of typefaces. A new window will pop up displaying all the available fonts. Take your time scrolling through this assortment until you find the perfect font for your presentation. It's a good time to remember the impact that font choice can have on readability and the overall tone of your presentation. Whether you're looking for something professional, whimsical, or somewhere in between, Google's collection of fonts has you covered. Once you've landed on a typeface that resonates with the message and style of your presentation, click on it. This action will select it as your new font choice. With your selection made, all that's left to do is confirm your decision. Look towards the bottom of the font menu where you'll find the OK button. Click it and watch as your selected text magically transforms, adopting the new font you've chosen. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated the font across your Google Slides presentation, giving it a fresh new look that aligns with your visual style and messaging. Always remember that the font you choose plays a crucial role in how your audience interprets and engages with your presentation. A well-chosen font can enhance readability, evoke emotion, and even strengthen your presentation's overall impact. Thanks for watching, and be sure to experiment with different fonts to discover the best fit for your Google Slides presentations. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a classroom lesson, or any other event, mastering these customization techniques will help you create more compelling and visually appealing presentations. Happy designing,